Everybody, this is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC. Today I'm talking with Juan Vigil. He is the owner and operator of TechnoTherm HVAC. They're an amazing HVAC company here in Colorado. They're a family business, they're family owned. The way I met Juan is back in 2019 during the summer. I was having problems with my unit. I got online and I didn't want to work with a national chain or something like that. I wanted to support local, support small business. I'm a small business owner. And found Juan online, got a hold of him. He came right away because it was, it's summertime, it was hot. So he came right away, got me back up and running in no time. The billing and everything, the charges were totally fair and acceptable by me. I ended up having more trouble. Juan came out and took a look at the system and said, hey, I can probably, fix the coils and do some things like that. But by the time he got in there and he gave me a fair quote to fix it, or he said, why don't you take that money that you would spend to do that and get a new unit? The unit was the original unit with the house, 10, 12 years old. So I went down that path. Juan showed up with his helper, with his tech, and installed that unit, brand new unit and everything, including everything inside the basement where everything's at for the inside stuff in no time. I mean, I'm talking like half a day. Once again, the price was fair, the price was reasonable. And afterwards, he actually provided me all the documentation I needed to get that system registered for the warranty. So I've always recommended Juan to everybody I've met or that need a good HVAC guy, a good HVAC company. And so, if you ever need any help, I highly recommend you reach out to Juan with TechnoTherm HVAC. And so Juan, tell me about your business and kind of just tell everybody about TechnoTherm HVAC.
Okay. Well, in a nutshell, you said it. We're family owned, and we believe in that model, family. I've been in the business for over 22 years. We started TechnoTherm 3 years ago, and we've been fortunate. We offer 24-hour service, emergency service. We work with several different brands, as far as from Lennox to Trane to Goodman. We offer financing, and basically we believe in long-term fixing. We could always temporarily put a Band-Aid on the unit, and it is your decision as a homeowner or a business owner if we're servicing your furnace, AC, whatever. But we believe in giving the customer what is needed. If we're only putting a Band-Aid on the unit, then long-term is kind of voided. So basically, in a nutshell, we care about our clients, and we want to offer a service that is going to last. So we recently just offered duct cleaning. So this is a big deal, and we want to hit all areas of HVAC. Sure, we could fix parts, we can change out equipment, but we believe that the ductwork is a big issue also. So we've invested into this duct cleaning service so that we're able to take care of everything. You get what I'm saying?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I kind of want to touch on that point that Juan just made about the duct cleaning. Me personally, I'm involved in some other businesses, and one of them is in the COVID space. And really, and a lot of things are in those ducts, especially if they've never been touched. And especially with COVID and things like that these days, people are more aware and are wanting to keep their HVAC, including the duct system in their house, clean. So, this is something that Juan offers. And I think that, if you're in Colorado, the Denver metro or Colorado Springs, or really, Juan services a lot of different areas. This is something you should check out. On his website, he does have the ability to book an appointment online. But like Juan also said, he's pretty much 24/7 emergency service. So definitely check him out. Juan, what is the website address?
Website address is technothermhvac.com.
Excellent. So Yeah, we built that website for Juan, back in 2019. It's clean, it's modern. It's the greatest part about that website is it has the booking feature. So, most people these days, especially the younger generations, they're not wanting to pick up the phone and call. You don't have to pick up the phone and call. You can. There's 2 phone numbers on the website. You can reach out to him or his office manager and book, but you can also book online. So definitely everybody go check out that website. What's the website address one more time, Juan?
TechnoThermHVAC.com.
Excellent. So Juan, tell me, what was your experience with working with me and my company, 5280 Software LLC, to build your website?
It was a great experience. I was a new business owner, and I was a little afraid on how I was going to get everything to work right. To talk to anybody, I didn't know how to address where to start as far as a website. So when I met you and we discussed it, I felt like I hit the lottery. I didn't have to go look. It was like it was meant to be. But the experience was great. You explained a lot to me. The scheduling, I literally don't have to do anything except for wait for calls to come in. So we're real excited about it, and we're real excited about offering the duct cleaning on that as well, because I think that's what people are going to look into. Because you said it earlier, as far as the COVID, people are more aware of what they're breathing, and so that's why we're pushing the duct cleaning so hard.
Perfect. Excellent. Thank you so much for the feedback. Yeah, and it's always been great working with Juan and everybody at TechnoTherm. They're great people, and it's easy. They were an easy client to work with. A lot of my clients, they have an idea what they want. They know what kind of features they want, but they're not. I don't expect my clients to be technical, and that's where I step in. And I like to not only guide my clients on what their website should have, or maybe look at their competitors and see, this is what your competitor is doing, and maybe you should do the same, but even better. And with the online booking, I think that's a huge key component of TechnoTherm's website and Juan's website. So yeah, everybody check out the website. And I guess my last question, Juan, is, would you recommend 5280 Software LLC to anybody else?
Every time I will. I appreciate you, and I will always let people know about you.
Thank you. Yeah, feelings mutual. I actually just yesterday, I recommended one on Nextdoor. Somebody in our area was looking for HVAC, and whenever I see something pop up, on Nextdoor or anything like that, I always post a comment to reach out to Juan and TechnoTherm, because they really are above board when it comes to not only service but level of they're just trustworthy and honest people, and they're local business. So support local, everybody. Juan, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, boys.
And we'll be in contact soon to talk about next steps on your digital marketing.
Sounds good. Enjoy your day.
You too. Thank you.